Hello YouTube, and today I'll be showing you my self-invented fountain that I made. So, see, the start of the fountain is here to make the water to go in. So then we have a little wire leading down here, which goes, like, this is like just a little passage to through my garage. Nobody ever walks down here because it's just like a little side of the garage that has loads of space, and then it leads all the way up here onto there. It's a bit bright so I can't see very well. There you go. So it squirts from there. So my hands have got wet from it. So people never walk down there because that's just like the side of the garage. No one wants to. Apart from me, of course, who does like all the fixing and all that. So that's how it works really. So I turn it on. God, it's very hard. Okay, I can hear it now. There you go. You can hear that. I'm going to stand back a little bit. I'll cut through there. But there you go, guys. See, look. See the water spraying everywhere. Keeps even going over there. As you can see. God, I'm getting wet from it. Oh, God, it's wet. Blimey heck. Seeing that, guys? That is classy. Classic. So you can see, look like it's going everywhere, as you can see. It's going over there, over there. So I'm going to cut through the system passage. I'm just going to switch it on. Oh God, I nearly tripped up then. Maybe you guys can see it over there. But I'm going to turn it off. There you go, you had a big wet slash then. So now, guys, it is officially switched off. So that is it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Goodbye and see you later.